Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fitia app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about Fitia app and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, we go to Play Store. You will search about Fitia app. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.